It is the agenda, and it's on everybody's lips right now. ESG. What are we going to do? How do we cope with this?
ESG it's really come to the fore, hasn't it? And it's building momentum, and it's going to continue building momentum.
We need to lead the energy transition, not just sit and wait for it to happen to us, but actually think about, well, what can we do to move this forward to help save the planet?
It's taking all the parts of sustainability, of environmental, of governance and our social licence to operate and putting those three together.
The massive public pressure to the industry now to reduce emissions, both within the sector but also to reduce the consumption of oil and gas.
We heard that about $11 trillion has moved out of the fossil fuel funding or investing space.
The bank has introduced recently what we call the green weighting factor. That will be easier, or that will have a better weighting when it's a green asset, and we'll have a more difficult weighting if it's a brown asset.
Using technology, oil and gas, the molecules are there. When you burn the molecules in some of our equipment, we create some of the environmental gases. What can we do to alleviate that? What can we do to mitigate that? And that's what we're spending a lot of investment on, and we're very interested to hear at these events the sound of the community that we need to be part of, and we are part of.
To become zero net emitters by 2050 by bringing science-based targets in our business and reducing actively our carbon emissions.
Let's move to something that is greener for everyone, for the society globally, and let's find the right tools to develop oil and gas companies in a proper way in the coming 10 years.